Hello, I'm Mohammed Saif Alvi, and this is a quick technical overview of our project KUETx. In this video, I'll walk you through the structure, technologies, and maintainability features that make this project scalable and production ready. Okay, so architecture overview. KUETx follows a full stack architecture. The front end is built with React, backend with Django REST framework, and PostgreSQL is used as the database. As you can see from our folder structure, we have followed a clean separation between client and server, enabling easy maintenance and scalability. Let's look at our backend. We structured the server into multiple Django apps like courses, users, forums, and quiz. Each app has its own serializers, views, and models. We used simple JSON web token for authentication with custom user roles like admin, student, and instructor. All protected routes check permissions to ensure proper access. The course management system supports ordered content, media uploads, and content type validation. The platform includes a forum-style newsfeed where students can post questions, updates, or discuss topics. We have also built a quiz system that automatically checks answers and gives feedback. Together, these features provide a complete, scalable, and interactive learning experience. API endpoints. To support smooth and interaction between the front-end and back-end, we built a comprehensive set of RESTful API endpoints using Django REST framework. Let me show you our API documentation. Here you can see that we have listed all of our API endpoints using OpenAPI Swagger. Okay, let me show you some example. So here are some example of our API endpoints. Each major functionality like user registration, login, course listing, content loading, enrollment, forum interactions, and quiz submissions is powered through clean and modular APIs. Okay, let's show you our user journey. Authenticate. So this is our user journey, this is our student journey, and this is our instructor journey. Authentication and authorization are handled using simple JSON web token, allowing secure access with role-based permissions. For example, only admins and instructors can add or delete or upload content or courses, while students can only enroll in courses or submit quizzes. All right. Database design. We used PostgreSQL as our relational database to ensure data integrity and scalability. The architecture is designed around a normalized structure. At the core, we have the user model, which holds role-based data. Users can be students, instructors, or admins. Each course is linked to a topic, which can be video, links, or texts. Student can enroll in courses via the enrollment table. Here is the enrollment table. We also implemented a forum using newsfeed post and newsfeed answer models for discussions and Q&A. The quiz and question models help assess learners, while rating system allows feedback and improvement. Overall, our database is modular, consistent, and easy to maintain using Django's ORM and admin panel. GitHub and collaboration. To ensure smooth collaboration and version control, we followed a structured grid bunching strategy in our GitHub repository. We maintained two main branches, main branch for production ready code and development branch, where tested features were merged before final release. Each feature was developed in its own branch, for example, course, exam, or user, which allowed us to work independently without conflicts. Once a feature was completed and reviewed, it was merged into development. After testing, we merged it into main. Okay. Let's show you our GitHub project. For project management, we used GitHub projects to create a Kanban board. We tracked all tasks under the column like to do, in progress, and done. Okay. assigning issues to team members. This not only helped us stay organized, but also made collaboration transparent and efficient throughout the development cycle. Okay. CI/CD and code quality. We integrated GitHub Actions for continuous integration. Every push triggers automated migrations and run tests to ensure nothing breaks. We also used Sonar Cloud for static code analysis to monitor code quality, bugs, and maintainability. This was a brief overview of KUETx's technical structure. We focused on scalability, modularity, and maintainability throughout the project. Thank you for watching.